Hello guys, welcome to day 17 of the 60 Paisa program, the 60-day program on Amazon by Indian Seller Academy. I am Dev and I welcome to the 17th day where we are going to talk about product research deep dive part 2. In part 1, where the session which we did yesterday, we discussed about some of the free methods of product research. We explored few methods like the touch method, the bestsellers method and the lazy browser method. In today's session, we will cover the rest of the free methods that we have here, namely being Wikipedia, social media platforms, B2B websites, and other marketplaces. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, in terms of Wikipedia, right, and how can you utilize Wikipedia to go about product research, right? Now, Wikipedia is a very huge information, right? They have everything in their list, but it's about how you utilize that particular information. And this is one place where it is very structured in terms of e-commerce niches, right? So if you see here, which is the list of hobbies that I've searched on Wikipedia, you will see that you have a lot of different hobbies, general hobbies, 3D printing, right? And if you choose 3D printing, right, just go to Amazon, search 3D printing accessory, 3D printing tools. That's all. Add anything after your niche, add something like tools, accessories, products, equipments, and you will find a lot of different products. Now all of these are really good ones, right? They are in a good price range, 999, 1359, and all you have to do is find a particular product which is in demand, right, which is not being sold by a lot of different sellers. A lot of these times these can help you in establishing your own brand. So make sure you do explore the hobbies list. A lot of times I have explored hobbies list to find products that I want to sell. Again, an example would be, let's say, baking, right? And if you go to baking products, you will see a lot of bundled products. Chefs and bakers, again, it's a very common niche, and you will find a lot of bundled products. See, this is a bundle where we have this turntable, the knife, and those spoons, spatulas, and whatnot, nozzles, different size nozzles. So again, a very good market, very good demanding market. However, here the price point is a bit low, is what you can observe, right? It's somewhere around 500, 300. So you might want to keep that in mind, right? So that's in terms of baking. And again, you can go with many different hobbies, like gardening is a very popular one in India. Then we have something like yeah, towards the middle we will have meditation, then we have makeup, we have yoga. So all of these, painting, all of these are very popular niches, and definitely choose anyone. Just search that particular niche and type in tools, type in accessories, type in equipments, and you will get a wide range of products that you might not have ever heard about, right? So that's how you can utilize Wikipedia to go about product research. Moving on, social media platforms, and these include Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, right? A lot of people come on social media and they promote their products in return for reviews, and that is where you will have to utilize. When a particular person is giving a product for free in return for reviews, it means that they are thinking in a long term. They are either in the launch phase, they are willing to spend some amount of money just to get that initial traffic in, and you want to find these products. Right now, if you go to Facebook, right, and if you search for, let's say, product reviews, which is what I've done here, you will find that there are a lot of different groups: Helium 10 members, uh, product review groups, best of Neutrogena products, product review groups. There are a lot of different product review groups that you will find, and if you go into these groups, right, you will find that a lot of sellers are saying that, okay, in return for a review, they are going to reduce the price of the product or give it for free. So these are often very good examples. Like, if for example, if you see this is a USB juicer, and it's somewhere around 600 rupees in price and sells very well on Amazon. So these can give you a really good idea, right? Again, if you see, Amazon sellers and buyers need product review, full refund and commission of $7 after review. So go to their product, check what their product is, check what they are going to sell, what they are planning to sell. Because if they are giving a full refund, right, it pretty much means that they are in the launch phase and they are willing to spend this much for marketing, for promotions, for getting the initial organic sales. So definitely go check out. These are very good. Some of them are really good products and something that you might not find in your day-to-day life. Again, the same thing for Instagram, just search for the hashtag Amazon reviews. That is what exactly I have done here. If you see, I have searched for hashtag Amazon review in the search bar, and what I've done is I've scrolled down and then looking at the most recent posts, right? And if you scroll down here, you will find the most recent post, and these are all unique products that have been launched recently, right? It's a tool set. Again, it's a tool as well. So a lot of times, these review products and these products are there and they look really good, and they can be very profitable products as well. So make sure, you once in a while you do check out Instagram as well. Okay, now that being said, let me again get back to this where we are talking about B2B websites, right? And the most common B2B websites when we as Indians think about is India Mart, right? And India Mart can be a great place to find products to sell. So let's quickly check India Mart, and yep, there we go. So if you see here, this is how the UI looks, and what you will have to do is, again, they have various categories, right? We can either view all categories here, or you can go with the specified category and then search in that particular manner, similar to Amazon where we have bestsellers, and we have different categories under bestsellers. Here you can choose any particular category, right? Now let's say, for example, I've just selected on view all categories, and then I go about and check, okay, which is the particular category that interests me. In my case, maybe, okay, I'll go with apparel and garments. Let's say, for example, sewing supplies, and then you can check, okay, if there's a product that you can sell, right, which is a very demanding product and has a high price point as well. Okay, I guess they're asking me to log in, but I'll skip that for now. And again, there are many more products, right? There are many examples that you can check here and can be sold as well. A lot of furnitures, wooden products. India is known for wooden products, and definitely you can check all of these office and desk furniture. If I click here and you will go there, you will find laptop tables, you will find chairs, something like this. It sells very well on Amazon. Check for this particular product, the one that I just clicked, something like this. It sells on Amazon for somewhere around 1400, 1500, and you can easily get this. Here it's saying 1000, but you can easily get this for 500, 550 from China. This particular product like this, you can easily get them for 550 rupees in China. Okay, again, moving on to another B2B website, which is the most famous B2B website in the world, which is Alibaba.com. And again, if you see here, you will have, similar to Amazon, various categories: new arrivals, dropshipping products, original sources, and top rank products. What you have to do is just go to top rank products, and then you will find that, okay, it has a very good list of golden nuggets, hidden nuggets that you can explore, right? So I was looking for these hookah stalls, and that's why it's showing me predominantly. But again, if you go here, and you will find that there are a lot more different products which have a very high rank, right? If I open this in incognito, maybe it will show me different products. So let me do that right away. Alibaba, and okay, now let's go scroll down and let's explore the top ranked products. And now you will find, okay, new trends, new products. Let's go to new products, and then you will find, okay, these are mobile phones, which are very common. But let's check if we have something else which looks and which is attractive to the eye, right? Something like this. It's like a kettle and has a very good design. It can be a good product. Something like this, which is a color changing light, and a lot of YouTubers, content creators, they use it very every now and then, right? Again, this looks like a zoom camera, which is again for people working from home. This can be a very good product. So definitely look for products. Again, the YouTube LED light, ring light. So definitely look for products that can catch eye, that can catch your eye, that is different and can be sourced at a very cheap price, right? So those are things that you want to explore. Okay, now moving on, we will go to our sheet here and other marketplaces, and this is where you will have to explore and go into different marketplaces, right? When we talk about India, the most common marketplace after Amazon that comes into our mind is Flipkart. And if you go to Flipkart, right, if you see here, this is how the Flipkart website looks. And again, you have multiple categories here. If you click on here, you will find different options. But yeah, rather than, what I do is I never go into these categories and check one by one. What I do is I just go to the bottom, and if you scroll up a little bit, you will find that, okay, here is the list of most searched products on Flipkart. And then we have mobiles, we have cameras, we have laptops, we have the best sellers, bestseller products on Flipkart. We have the furnitures on Flipkart, right? So this is the place that I go to, which gives me the most hot selling items and the most profitable ones. So that is one page that you want to explore. You can, go down, scroll to the bottom of the Flipkart page, and then you can find that there are different examples that you can see. Again, here are also some categories, so make sure you do that. Another page that I would recommend you to go is go to amazon.com and check bestsellers, right? So similar to Indian bestsellers page, Amazon also has a amazon.com has also has a bestsellers page, which is the international bestsellers. And here again, depending upon the category, you can choose different products, right? So these products are again sold universally, as it says international bestsellers, and that can definitely help you find some very unique and very interesting products that can give you a lot of profit. So this is again a product, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a toy or baby toy, but again, not very sure. So these are some of the most common methods that people miss out. People fail to check hobbies, people fail to check social media platforms, people fail to check B2B marketplaces as the point of source, right? People normally go there for sourcing the product, but again, it's also a very good place where you can do product research, and again, check out other marketplaces, check out the best sellers in other marketplaces like Flipkart, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, and there are so many places. Go to your retail stores, check the products that are selling well, and again, the find is endless, right? So make sure you do your research. And again, as I mentioned yesterday, every time when you're going about product selection, do not go emotionally, right? Do not choose a particular product and okay, decide that it's doing well. First, create your list of 200 or 300 products, and then decide, okay, if this particular product is fulfilling your criteria, is fulfilling your selection or validation techniques, and then you can go about the shortlisting and selection procedure, right? So that's how I deal about it. I first go about and choosing all the different products that I like, and then I choose and handpick selected products which will give me profitable returns. Okay, so that's all that I had for now in terms of free methods. We have covered all the free methods that we wanted to cover, and tomorrow we will cover the paid methods like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. So make sure you watch the video, tomorrow's video, which is a very interesting one, a paid tool which can help you find really good products in minutes. And we will talk about Helium 10 in very much detail. See you tomorrow again at 10 p.m. on YouTube and 10:30 p.m. today on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you tomorrow on day 18 of the training program. That's all.